Can you define electrostatic potential energy of a charge in a field? Electrostatic potential energy of a charge in a field. Yeah. Without. Oh, okay. Okay, very good. So potential energy of a charge at infinite distance is taken as 0. Okay, good. Pareen, can you tell me define potential, electrostatic potential energy of a charge in a field? And what is that equation for that? Pareen, Praveen. No idea? Okay, Lakshya, can you define electrostatic potential energy of a charge in a field? That was the last class point. So electrostatic potential energy of a point charge or any charge in the field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing that charge from infinity to that point against the electrostatic force without any acceleration. So we calculate by line integral of f vector dot dr vector from infinity to that point. Okay, and one more point, and this work done is independent of the path, because electrostatic field is a conservative field, conservative force. I think you remember from class 11th. Conservative forces. Gravitational force is a conservative force, electrostatic force is a conservative force, magnetic force is a conservative force, spring force is a conservative force. Means work done depends only on initial and final points, not on the nature of the path. So you can move the charge from one point to another along a straight line, along a circular path, or along a rectangular path, no problem. The work done remain same. So next important point what we are going to discuss today, that is electrostatic potential. Very important point, electrostatic potential. Okay, that is the next important point. Can you, what is the unit of electrostatic potential energy? Anyone? Electrostatic potential. Okay, good. Its SI unit is joule. Okay, fine. Anchal Vijayan, define potential energy, electrostatic potential energy. Okay, Prayag is there. Okay, Prayag, tell me, define potential energy, at least equation. Position. Okay, that is fine. Okay, equation. Anshuman, define electrostatic potential energy. Particle, not particle here by charge. Definition I want, because I am going for electrostatic potential now. Repeat the definition. Electrostatic potential energy of a charge at any point in a field is defined as, okay, remember, defined as the work done by an external force forward in bringing that charge from infinity to that point without any acceleration. So this is calculated by integral f vector dot dr. This is f means external force from infinity to the point B. So next, today's very important point is electrostatic potential. Electrostatic potential, represented by letter V. Electrostatic potential. Before going to electrostatic potential, first we define what is electrostatic potential, electric potential difference. It's a common term, potential difference. You know EMF and potential difference. So what is the meaning of electric potential difference? So you have an electric field produced by any charge. Suppose you are having a charge here, a plus Q charge is here at O, it produces its field around it. Suppose I am taking 2 points here, A and B. Okay, at A its potential energy is there, B also potential energy is there. So we want to take a charge, say unit charge, a unit positive charge we want to take from A to B. So you have to do work against the electric field. So what is the work done in moving a unit charge from A to B without any acceleration? That is known as potential difference between these 2 points. Work done in moving a unit charge, in moving from one point to the other point without any acceleration. This is again electrostatic force. This is known as electric potential difference between 2 points. So instead of taking unit charge, you can take a test charge plus Q naught, that is moving from A to B. So what is the work done from A to B in taking a unit charge? We write this as WAB upon Q naught, work upon charge. This is the meaning of work done in moving a unit charge from A to B. So this is defined as potential difference. Potential difference, potential is represented by letter V, final potential minus initial potential. How can you calculate this? As it's a work done. Work done can be calculated by E dot dr, F dot dr. Okay, force dot product of force and displacement. So here I am writing it as a line integral F vector dot dr vector. F vector dot dr vector. From where to where? We have to take from A to B. But what is here force? Force experienced is given by Q into E. What is the charge you have to take? Charge you have to take is a 1 coulomb charge. So this is 1 into E. So instead of force, we can replace it with electric field. So equation is changing to here. This is a very important equation. WAB upon Q naught is equal to VB minus VA is equal to, instead of force I am representing, because it is work done moving a unit charge. The force acting on a unit charge is the electric field at that point itself. So it is E A to B line integral E vector dot dr vector. Last chapter we have seen it was closed integral E dot ds. Now this is E dot dr, it's a line integral. So this is the potential difference. So this equation is the most important equation, and this we define as delta V, potential difference between 2 points. So you have a charge, it is producing its field around it, electric field around it. To move a charge from one point to another point, work is to be done. Here we are moving a unit positive charge. So how will you define electric potential difference between any 2 points A and B? Defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit charge, unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electrostatic force. So A to B, work done in moving a unit charge. We write it as generally WAB upon Q naught.
Dot product.
Work upon charge, defined as the potential difference VB minus VA. Just like work done we calculate by dot product F vector dot ds. So here we are writing F vector dot dr, but is here, what is F here? F is QE and charge is 1 coulomb, the force is written as E vector. So final equation is work done in moving a unit charge is defined as the potential difference between 2 points, and it is measured as the line integral of E vector dot dr vector from A to B, which is the potential difference. So this is the most important point. Potential difference between any 2 points in the field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit charge from one point to another point without any acceleration. This work is done against the electrostatic force. Equation: work done in moving unit charge, WAB upon Q naught. Okay, so meaning WAB upon Q naught means work done in moving unit charge. Simply if you write WAB, work done for bringing any charge, WAB upon Q naught, work done in moving unit charge, equal to potential difference VB minus VA, final minus initial, equal to, how will you calculate? Line integral E vector dot dr vector from A to B. Just like we calculated flux, F is equal to, phi is equal to E vector dot ds over the closed surface. I think this point is clear to all of you. Next important point is what I am going to say. This work done, You can move the charge from A to B along a straight line, there is no problem. A to B लेके आ सकता है, और along this circular path भी लेके आ सकता है, और I can take the any arbitrary path में भी लेके आ सकता है. So you have different ways, first way, second way and third way. Work done from A to B will be same along any path. So work done along the path A to B first way equal to work done A to B along the second way is equal to work done from A to B along the third way. So this work done is independent of the path, and between the 2 points depends only on the initial and final positions. That very important point. This work done is independent of the path. This work done is independent of path. Depends only on what? Depends only on initial and final point. Initial and final point. I want to get answer from you, all of you. Initial and final points. This work done depends only on initial and final point, not on the nature of the path. कोई से भी रास्ते में जा सकता है. Okay, it can be straight line path or along a triangular path में आ सकता है, circular path में आ सकता है, rectangular path में आ सकता है. Okay, why this is? This is because electrostatic field is conservative. Conservative field. There are two types of forces or fields. One is conservative, another is non-conservative. Class 11th topic. There are many points there. So some of the examples of conservative field is gravitational field, electrostatic field, magnetic field. All of these are conservative. So this they depends only on initial and final point. Work done depends only on initial and final point. I think this point is clear to all of you. Can I get the definition of potential difference between 2 points? Anyone? Quick answer. Yeah. Okay, again, this is potential difference. Okay, lecture, tell me what is the equation? Equation also write in the copy. What is the equation for that? Potential difference between 2 points. Potential difference between any 2 points, final point minus initial point, is defined as work done. This is the definition. In moving a unit charge from one point to another point, how will you measure this? This is equal to line integral E vector dot dr vector from A to B. All of you write this equation 5 times in the copy. Very important one. Okay, next point I am going to discuss what is the SI unit of potential difference. At any time you should remember this equation. Potential difference equation is very important one, right? Remember this potential difference VB minus VA. The definition meaning what WAB upon Q naught. How will you measure? E dot dr. Numericals are there. Board question. SI unit of potential difference. All of you remember SI unit of potential difference. What is SI unit of potential difference? Is volt. How will you define 1 volt? So for that we write the equation potential difference. VB minus VA is equal to WAB upon Q naught. If you are taking a charge Q naught equal to plus 1 coulomb, and the work done for that to bring from one point to another point, work done is 1 joule, then potential difference between the 2 points is said to be 1 volt. So potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work you are spending to move a unit positive charge between those points. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon coulomb. Potential difference is a scalar quantity. It's a work done. It is a scalar. Okay. So SI unit of potential difference. We used to say potential difference between the terminals of the battery. There are so many cells you are going through that. Different types of Daniel cell, Leclanche cell, different dry cell, etc. Between the two terminals, we say potential difference 1.1 volt, 1.5 volt, etc. So what is the meaning of 1 volt? The potential difference is said to be 1 volt if you are spending 1 joule of work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to another point. Okay, without any acceleration. So that point is very important one. Next we are coming to what is the meaning of electrostatic potential at a point. Electrostatic potential at a point. First we have defined potential difference. Next one, potential. Electrostatic potential at a point. This definition itself is, all these are very important one. Electrostatic potential at a point. Electrostatic potential at a point. For that you can remember this equation what is written here over this. This is the general equation. So this is one point. If you are taking A, the point A is taken to infinity. At infinity, there will be no field, so there is no force. So potential
Sir,
at
can you
No
just tell
problem,
how
sir.
infinity is
you will
taken as
be
0 as a reference
approach from
point.
the first
Okay, the point
point?
A is taken to where we are taking the point A is taken to infinity. From infinity, you are bringing a unit positive charge. A unit positive charge is bringing from infinity to the point B without any acceleration. Then what is that work done? That work done is known as potential at any point. And potential at infinity is taken as 0 because there is nobody to interact, there is no field. Okay, अगर कोई फील्ड नहीं है, कोई वर्क डन नहीं है, कोई काम नहीं है. So the point A is taken to infinity. You have to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to the point B against the electrostatic force and without any acceleration. What is that work done? That work done is defined as the potential at any point. So potential at any point is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge. यहाँ से you have to take a unit positive charge from infinity to that point without acceleration. Potential at any point is a scalar quantity. So this is the definition of electrostatic potential. So how you write here? The above equation can be written as, so potential difference VB minus VA equal to WAB upon Q naught. This is the general equation. E dot dr from A to B. So A is taken as at infinity. A is at infinity. So potential at infinity is taken as 0. So this equation will be V at any point B minus V at infinity equal to work done from infinity to the point B in bringing unit charge equal to line integral from infinity to the point B E vector dot dr vector. Potential at infinity is taken as 0. So potential at any point is coming by this equation, work done in bringing unit charge equal to measurement is E dot dr from infinity to the point B. All should learn this equation. This is the measurement and definition of potential at any point. Write this equation 2-3 times in the copy. Fatapat, all of you. Potential at any point is defined as, definition is coming from this equation, is defined as the amount of work done bringing unit charge from infinity to that point against the force, electrostatic force without any acceleration, and it can be measured as the line integral of electric field from infinity to the point E dot dr. This is the way of measurement. So work done is independent of the path, always remember. So work done against electrostatic field is independent of the nature of the path. कोई से भी path it can take depends only on initial and final points. Yes, again. So this is the definition, and we have to derive the equation also. As per this statement, we are derived. So before going to the derivation, we explain what is the SI unit of electrostatic potential. SI unit of electrostatic potential is also defined as volt. It is SI unit is potential difference, it's volt. SI unit of potential is also volt. So potential at a point can be defined like this. Potential at a point is defined, potential at B, any point, equal to work from infinity to the point B upon Q naught. So if Q naught you are taking it as a plus 1 coulomb charge and the work you are to take from infinity to the point is 1 joule, then the potential at that point is said to be 1 volt. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So potential at a point is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is required to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to that point without any acceleration. Definition is very important one. Definition is very important. I repeat. Define SI unit of potential. It is volt. How to define 1 volt? Potential at a point is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is required to move a unit positive charge from infinity to that point without any acceleration. I think this is clear to all of you. Definition. My sound is clear to all of you? Audible? Anshuman, can you tell me what is the definition of 1 volt? 1 volt, 1 volt. What is the amount of work is to be done? 1 joule hour. Okay, very good. Okay, good. Okay. Pareen batao. Pareen, tell me the definition. 1 volt. That point without any acceleration. Okay, fine. Is it a vector or scalar? Potential. Why? It's a work done. It's a dot product and it's a work done also. And this was a board question. And what is the physical quantity represented by joule per coulomb? And is it a vector or scalar? This was a 1 mark question. What is the physical quantity represented by the unit joule per coulomb? Is it a scalar or vector? I think you can recognize what it is. Joule per coulomb is potential, or potential difference also you can write, no problem. Okay. So next is a board question. We are going to discuss a board question how to find, that means how to find out the electric field or potential difference. Okay. So I am giving the board question here. All of you listen here. You have a test charge Q naught. Okay, test charge Q naught is there, that is moved without any acceleration from A to C over the path ABC as shown in the figure. You have to calculate potential difference between A and C. So you have a uniform electric field is given here. So this electric field produced by someone, like some charge is there, it's producing something, arrangement is there to produce electric field. Okay. And we have a charge here Q naught, that is moving from A, then reaching the point B, then after that reaching the point C. So from A to B is going, after that B to C. So the path will be a triangular path. A to B first, then B to C. Any path it can travel, and you are asked to find out what is the potential difference between the points A and C equal to question mark. Electric field is a uniform value and it is given as E vector. So at all the point electric field value same, and coordinates of the points are given to you as A at 5, 0 and C at 1, 0 and B at 0, 2. So these are the coordinates of the point given to you. So you are asked to find out potential difference between A and C when a test charge Q naught is moving from A to C along the path ABC. How can you calculate this? This was a board question. So you go from A to C along this way, this is the first way, और यू डायरेक्टली कम फ्रॉम ए टू सी. डायरेक्टली भी आ सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ए टू सी डायरेक्टली आ जाओ. दिस इज द सेकेंड वे. द वर्क डन रिमेन सेम. सो वर्क डन मूविंग एनी चार्ज फ्रॉम ए to C along the first way and second way remain same. So what we have to write here, work done along the first way is same as work done along the second way, which is convenient, you can calculate. So it is easy to calculate the work done moving unit charge from A to C along the second way, straight way. Line integral easily you can calculate. So that will be the potential difference. So potential difference between A and C, VAC is equal to final minus initial. Final point minus initial point. That is VC minus VA. This is equal to work done in moving unit charge from A to C. This is definition. Calculation is by line integral E vector dot dr vector from A to C. Okay. So how will you find out this potential difference? So potential difference, this means VC minus VA equal to, what is the direction of electric field? Electric field is toward right side. When you go from A to C, mark it as this is the dr vector. What is their direction? E vector and dr vector direction. Can you tell me? Direction of E vector and dr vector. E vector is toward right side when you go from A to C. Dr vector is from A to C. What is the angle between them? 180 degree. Okay, so this is from A to C. We write it as E dr cos 180. तो there is no need of going to the point B and coming to C. Directly A to C जा सकता है. तो cos 180 is -1. So we write this as a minus A to C EDR. E तो constant है because uniform value दे रखा है, minus E A to C dr. This is the total length. This is the total length of dr. So this can be written as potential difference Vc minus Va. This is equal to minus E. What is integral dr? Integral dr is r between the limits A to C. Now we are going to write the limits. Limit I am going to change with the coordinates are given to you. So what coordinate we will write there? Instead of point, we can remove with the coordinates. Values are given there. Point A is given by the distance. What distance we can write here? A. What is the coordinates? X coordinate. We are moving along the X coordinate. That will be equal to 5. And next one, this will be equal to 1. So from where do we have to go? A is replaced by 5 and C is replaced by 1. So limit of integration is 5 to 1. That is minus E upper limit minus lower limit minus E into minus 4, that is equal to 4E. So potential difference is given as, potential difference between the 2 points is given as VAC is equal to 4E. This is the value 4E. So this is the board question. So which point the potential is greater? VAC is equal to 4E. So VAC means it is VC minus VA. This is equal to 4E. It is a positive value. So VC is greater than VA. So there is a decrease in the potential which is in the direction of electric field. If you are going in the direction of electric field, potential will decrease. So A में potential कम रहेंगे, C में potential ज़्यादा रहेंगे, and it is a very important point. This was about question. Is there any problem in this? Anyone? Lakshay? First direction x coordinate is not given to you. First x coordinate integration. X coordinate is not given to you, but from when B to C, then you can integrate the value. You have to add the two line integrals. You can try yourself, and A to B you go, and from B to C add these values, two line integrals you have to add to reach the point. And check whether you are getting the value. Is there any other problem? Okay, next point we are going to discuss electrostatic potential at a point due to a point charge. Derivation, that is of 3 mark question. Okay, that is next one is a electrostatic potential at any point, 3 mark question, derivation. So that is a slightly lengthy derivation, long derivation. So I think we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.